Hi, I'm Stephanie from the Manlius Library, and I'm going to demonstrate the Take and Make kit for October. Your kit will contain some soy candle wax, pumpkin spice, a glass jar, and one candle wick. You will need something to melt the wax in. I'm using an old glass measuring cup. You will also need something to hold the wick steady, such as a dowel or a fork. I'm using some wooden chopsticks from a Chinese restaurant, and they will also help me with stirring the wax. If you like, you can add an essential scented oil or an extract such as vanilla or coffee. Before getting started with melting the wax, I placed the jar on a piece of scrap paper. I wrapped the wick around one of the chopsticks to help hold it in place. First, I filled my saucepan with water about a quarter of the way full, and then I placed in the measuring cup, and now I will add the wax. I turned the burner on to medium-low. You don't want the water to rapidly boil, but it should be warm enough to melt the wax. Once the wax is melted, you can stir in the pumpkin spice and a quarter teaspoon of vanilla or other extract that you're using. Now carefully pour the melted wax into your glass jar and let it sit for about 4 to 5 hours. Once your candle has set, make sure to cut off the excess wick and enjoy.